Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing how to lose weight fast. With so many diets and weight loss programs out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be discussing some proven methods to help you lose weight quickly and effectively. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding weight loss. Before we dive into the methods, it's important to understand what weight loss is and how it works. Weight loss occurs when you burn more calories than you consume. This means that in order to lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit. 1 pound of fat is equal to 3,500 calories, so to lose 1 pound per week, you need to create a deficit of 500 calories per day. Section 2. Diet. The first method we're going to discuss is diet. Diet plays a crucial role in weight loss, and it's often said that weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. Some effective diet strategies for weight loss include calorie tracking. Tracking your calorie intake can help you become more aware of what you're eating and how much you're consuming. There are many apps available to help you track your calories. Eating whole foods. Whole foods are foods that are minimally processed and contain no added sugars or fats. Examples include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Eating whole foods can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves alternating between periods of eating and periods of fasting. This can help you reduce your overall calorie intake and improve your body's ability to burn fat. Section 3. Exercise. The second method we're going to discuss is exercise. Exercise is important for weight loss because it helps you burn calories and build muscle. Some effective exercise strategies for weight loss include high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT involves alternating between periods of high-intensity exercise and periods of rest. This can help you burn more calories in less time and improve your overall fitness. Resistance training. Resistance training involves using weights or resistance bands to build muscle. Building muscle can help you burn more calories at rest and improve your overall body composition. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise, such as running or cycling, can help you burn calories and improve your overall fitness. Section 4. Lifestyle changes. The third method we're going to discuss is lifestyle changes. Making small changes to your lifestyle can have a big impact on your weight loss journey. Some effective lifestyle changes for weight loss include drinking water. Drinking water can help you stay hydrated and reduce your overall calorie intake. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Getting enough sleep. Sleep is important for weight loss because it helps regulate your appetite hormones. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Managing stress. Stress can contribute to weight gain, so it's important to manage it effectively. Some effective stress management techniques include meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Conclusion. So, there you have it, some proven methods to help you lose weight fast. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it takes time and effort to achieve your goals. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve the results you desire. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.